Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with DB. In this series of drawing the toughest dot and cross diagrams, now in the part 4 video, I'm going to tell you how to draw the diagrams for sulfate ion SO4 2 minus, sulfite SO3 2 minus and phosphate PO4 3 minus ions. If you watch the first 3 videos, I'm sure that you would be able to get this very easily. So let's start with the sulfate ion. So sulfate ion, it has got a 2 minus charge and sulfur is in group 6 and so is oxygen. So therefore sulfur is in the middle and it has got 2 of these O minus ions because it is oxygens have gained an electron from a cation, providing one of it their own. So, and they have shared one of their electrons with sulfur, and in the process they have acquired a full octet. Now sulfur had got 6 electrons and they were in sulfate there are 4 oxygens here, so therefore the remaining 2 oxygens form 2 double bonds with sulfur. So we can show it in this way, and these are the lone pairs of oxygens. In the form of a stick model, we can show it as double bond, 2 double bonds with oxygens and one like this. So this is the stick model for sulfate ion. Overall, it is going to be a 2 minus because of this, each of 2 of these O minus. Now next we are going to do is the sulfite ion. In case of sulfite ion, again sulfur is in the middle and it's a charge of 2 minus here. So that means it has also got 2 of these O1 minus, means each of these oxygens has gained an electron from a metal cation or ammonium ion, whichever. So, and these are the lone pairs. Now sulfur has got 3 of these oxygens attached to this, so therefore the third oxygen is here and by forming a double bond with it. So this is how the sulfide ion would look like, and because it has got 2 of these O minus, so therefore it has got a charge of 2 minus. In the form of a stick diagram, we can show it as sulfur, 1 double bond, and like this. This is how the sulfide ion looks like. Now the next one is the phosphate ion. So phosphate ion should be very easy now because we are going to follow exactly the same method. This got a 3 minus overall charge, so that means clearly that it's got 3 of these O minus. Means each of these oxygens has gained an electron from a cation. Okay, and one of this its own to form a pair, and the lone pairs on oxygen, just to have clarity and also to have the number of electrons in the correct way. Now there were 4 of these oxygens and 3 are in the form of 3 of these O minus. So the fourth electron is forming a the fourth oxygen is forming a double bond with phosphorus. So we can show it as this. Now this gives rise to a PO4 3 minus. In the form of a stick diagram, we can show it as 1 double bond and 3 of these O minus. So I hope this video was useful in explaining the dot and cross diagrams for these complex polyatomic ions. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and goodbye. Take care.